Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia and create professional AI videos step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. Once the website loads, sign in to your account. If you're a new user, create an account and complete the setup process. After logging in, you'll see the Synthesia dashboard. This is where you can create new videos, manage your projects, and access the available AI video tools. To begin, create a new video project. Synthesia may provide different templates and starting options. Choose a template that matches the type of video you want to create, or start with a blank project. Next, select an AI avatar for your presentation. Browse through the available presenters and choose one that fits your topic and target audience. After selecting your avatar, add the script you want the presenter to speak. Keep your script clear, natural, and easy to understand. Now choose an AI voice and select the appropriate language. Preview the available voice options and choose one that matches the style of your video. You can then customize your video by changing the background, adding text, images, shapes, and other visual elements. Organize your content into different scenes to make the presentation easier to follow. Once your editing is complete, preview the entire video. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, text, and overall design. If you notice anything that needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Preview the project again until everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the result, generate your video and wait for Synthesia to finish processing it. Once the video is ready, watch the final version from beginning to end and make sure everything looks professional. Finally, export the completed video using the available options. And that's how you can use Synthesia to create professional AI videos with avatars, voices, scripts, and customizable scenes.